everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be doing a little Shein haul for you. I often shop at Shein, I shop at Temu, and one of these days I want to do kind of a price comparison sort of thing between the two, because they do sell a lot of the same items, the exact same items, same purses, the same, little containers, just a lot of the exact same things. So I don't know if I can find a price on Temu for these products that I got that I'm going to show you today. I'll put the price, Temu's price, up on the screen, and I will verbally tell you the price that I paid for these items from Shein. So maybe we can kind of see. And if I can't find the same item, I'm not going to do that. But if I do find the same item, I'll go ahead and we'll do a little price comparison in this video. So, and hopefully I can do that in any of my future videos, so you can kind of see which one is less expensive. So, the first thing I got from Shein is this. It's a t-shirt. And go ahead and open this up. Did I just close it? I think I did. So I'm going to tell you the first thing about this shirt as I'm feeling it. This feels like a cotton shirt. It does not feel like the material that I often get on Temu. However, I have gotten a shirt or two from Temu that feels more on the cottony side as well, but the majority of clothes that I've gotten on Temu is that stretchy stuff. This one here feels like cotton. Not to say it is. Let me see. It says it's made, it's not even cotton. This is 95% polyester and 5% elastane. But it feels like cotton. So here it is right here. So I like it. By the way, this shirt too that I got is from Shein from a long time ago. It just says, nope, not today. I believe this one is from Shein. I'm pretty sure. And this feels like cotton too. So yeah, I kind of like the material. A little bit better so far, but I'll see if that shirt is on Temu as well, and we'll kind of compare the prices. But I got that for $3.90. That was a good deal, I think. Okay, the next thing I received is a large Tupperware type thing. This might be a little bit loud. Let me go ahead and open this. So this is a polypropylene, I don't know, seal pot, and this cost me 39 cents. I believe these are, I keep having to move. I'm like on a bench and the bench is very uncomfortable. I need to get myself a nice comfy chair in this room. But this is sold on Temu too, so I'll find out what the price is currently on Temu, because as we know, even with Shein and Temu, the prices are always changing. But anyway, I did get this for 39 cents at Shein. Okay, then I have another order from Shein. I'm gonna go ahead and open that order. A few more. All right, first thing, I got another shirt. Let's see what this one feels like. See, again, it does not feel like that silky material. It really does not. So here it is right here. Wow, that was awfully see-through, I think. It looks really see-through. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but it looks a little see-through to me. But it's awfully cute, in my opinion. I like the lace. I love the color. And it's got like a waffle knit is what they call this, I believe. So this shirt cost me $10.23. So this is a contrast lace sleeve waffle knit tee. So now I haven't really tried it on. I really do like it. I just hope that it's not super see-through, because in the summertime, I do like short sleeves, but I don't want to wear something under my short sleeve. You know what I mean? Like, that's kind of defeats the purpose of having a short sleeve. So, I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it on and see. Anyway, let's move on. Get these open. This is the next product that I bought, and these for 5 pieces. These are 5 pieces here, different colors. I got this for 20 cents. 20 cents. They're super soft, and they're like dishcloths or something. It says here they're, let's see, absorbent, non-stick oil dishwashing cloth, kitchen specific, thickened, lint-free table wipes, and cleaning towels. So, you know, it just has this big long title. But I know Temu sells these too, and I think I've seen them as low as probably the same price as 20 cents. But, you know, Temu and Shein, they often change prices, so I'll check whatever the price is today. I will write it down, what Temu's price is today when I do it. All right. Then, what else did I get? Oh, all right. Get this one open here. Sorry for the noise. This is just a little squeegee type thing. Like, it has a scrubber here and then a squeegee here. And it's like for your shower door or your shower, but I want to use it for my shower door. And this, was 89 cents. So it's just a good size. It's, you know, it's not too big, it's not too small. It's made of very hard plastic. This sponge here looks like, really, look, it's Velcro on there. So you can probably change out the sponges. Maybe Shein sells the sponges separate so you can buy refills. I'm not sure. But again, this cost me 89 cents. So, and I will have the links to these products, if they're still available, in my description box. So if you guys just want to go over to Shein and pick them up, you can. With Shein, though, they don't have free shipping all the time. You can get free shipping from Shein often, actually, pretty often, for $9.99. If you order that much, you get free shipping. They have days like that all the time, but it's not all the time, if you know what I mean. Like, Temu's all the time, $10 and over free shipping. Shein is not all the time, but it's very often. So just to let you know that. Okay, next thing I received. This is those like tabs that you put around your toilet rim inside the toilet. You put maybe 1 or 2 dots, like it's like a gel, and you just stick it to the toilet inside. It's supposed to keep it smelling fresh. I don't know if it's really supposed to keep it clean, but it does. I don't know if this one will, but the ones that I buy from the store keep my toilet smelling good. So I don't know. I haven't tried this yet. I wish I can give you a good review of this, but I really can't. But this is $2.59. So it looks like it's going to last a long time. You know, I've seen mixed reviews about this. I've seen people that swear by it, and then I see people that, you know, said it doesn't clean, it doesn't do this, it doesn't do that. But is it really meant to clean? I don't think so. I think it's just meant to freshen. So I will see. I'll see, and I'll have to report back on that one. Okay, then what else in this? And supposed to be getting, yeah, there was something else. Here they are. Found them. After I picked these up, I saw a reviewer, an unboxer that tried these and said they're junk. Yay for me. So these are disposable cleaning things, like you put them in your toilet and then you're supposed to be able to clean your toilet. So I think they're supposed to be like soap or something. And you know, she was questioning the person I saw. Let me not talk when I'm opening this, but the person I saw doing it, she said that she wasn't sure if you were supposed to put them in the tank part of your toilet or directly in the bowl part of your toilet. So she put them directly in the bowl part, which is what I thought too. But there's a bunch of them in here. Let me see, does it say how many? 30 pieces it says. And they're like paper thin. And you just, I don't know, I guess stick them in the toilet. They come in different colors. I got the pink, obviously, but I'll test it and we'll find out. I really don't know if it's gonna work, but the reviewer that I watched said this is not worth your money, but I did buy it afterward. I bought it before I saw the review, but these were $1.83. So we'll see how that works out for me. Okay, and the last couple things that I received, actually I believe it's the last 3 items that I received from Shein. First thing is this here. These are 3 pieces, 20 milliliters, flower design empty. It says empty sub package box. Maybe that makes sense to you. Doesn't make sense to me. Sub package box, but anyway. Not a whole lot of things make sense to me anyway, but I thought these were pretty. They've got like a little flower design on the top, and I believe that, yeah, they screw open. It's like a real super hard plastic, not likely to break. And yeah, I thought these were really pretty. So there's 3 of these. Very nice, I think. And then, I don't know about this. This is a 18 karat gold plated. And what this is an electric hair removal device. It's supposed to help like shape or shave, whatever way you want to say it, my eyebrows. But I don't know, you guys. It does come with directions. That's always a plus. Oh, those 3, did I tell you how much those little containers were? These little flower rose containers, they were $1.09. But here's the directions here. I'll have to read those later. Here is the product itself. Looks like this. Does come with a little brush to, I guess, keep it clean. This looks like just a junky little brush, but maybe they all come with these kind of brushes. I've seen these type of things sold even at, you know, regular like Walmart and stuff. I don't know if it's the same brands, but you know, I've seen these. So we'll see. I don't know. I tried to pluck a little bit today, my eyebrows, and I think I made this one a lot worse than the other one. So definitely not even, but that cost $2.96. So for $2.96, I thought it was worth trying. And then I bought one of these here, and this was 52 cents. I bought the same thing on Temu. Why can't I think of the name? Duh, I shop there all the time. But I bought the same thing on Temu. And again, I bought this for 52 cents here on Shein. I don't remember if I got it on a lightning deal at Temu, but at the time, I think I got it for cheaper on Temu. I'll have to write it down. I think it was like 8 cents, something like that on Temu. But what it is, it's like for cheese. Like you're supposed to be able to put cheese in here, keep your cheese fresh in the fridge. So there it is right there. And so yeah, just a little handy container. I'm using my other one for jewelry, for like rings and stuff. But you know, maybe I will use it for what it's supposed to be for now that I have two. But I don't know. Oops. Anyway, everyone, that was my Shein haul. So let's see, what were my favorites? I like the shirts, but I mean, I'm sure they're both see-through. One is white and one is that waffle knit here that looks like it's gonna be awfully see-through. I don't know, can you see me? Not sure, but I think it's super cute if it's not see-through. What do you think? Let me know. I kind of like it. I don't know. We'll have to find out. I really don't know. Anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And again, I will try to have all these products linked in my description box. I have no affiliation with Shein, so if you want any of these products, I will try to leave a link in my description box. You can just go right on over, push the link, and get it if you want it. But please, again, leave a comment and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And everyone, thank you all so much for watching and have a great day.